If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Save for Web dialog box in Photoshop helps you optimize images for online display. When creating images for online display, file size becomes a very important issue. Ideally, you want to create a graphic that looks as good as possible, while being small enough to download quickly to a user's browser. While most websites and online photo display apps provide various plugins and tools to help users optimize photos for web display, Photoshop also provides this through the Save for Web dialog box. Note that this is a legacy feature in Photoshop. To export the currently opened file in Photoshop using the Save for Web dialog box, select File, Export, Save for Web Legacy from the menu bar to open the Save for Web dialog box. To switch the preview shown at the left side of the Save for Web dialog box, click the Original, Optimized, 2 Up, or 4 Up tabs above the preview to show the original file, the optimized file, both versions in a 2 Up, or 4 versions in a 4-up layout, respectively. To change the download speed shown below the optimized previews, click the Select Download Speed button by its size and speed data and select a different download speed choice. However, note that most of these speeds are antiquated, rendering the estimated download time irrelevant. However, the file size information that also appears here is still very useful. To change the file type and compression by selecting a preset, select a desired file type compression preset from the Preset dropdown towards the upper right corner of the Save for Web dialog box. Note that when you select a different file type and compression preset, the file size, shown towards the lower left corner of the optimized file preview, adjusts itself accordingly. Ideally, you want to select a preset that applies a small file size without sacrificing too much image quality. If desired to adjust the compression settings for a selected preset, use the compression options that appear below the preset dropdown. These change depending on the file type selected. However, one way to optimize the resultant graphic is to reduce its pixel dimensions, which appear under the Image Size section towards the lower right corner of the Save for Web dialog box. Here, enter the desired pixel width and pixel height for the compressed image into the W and H fields. If needed, to change the resampling method for the size reduction, use the Adjacent Quality dropdown. To save the compressed version of the image, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the Save for Web dialog box to open the Save Optimized As dialog box. Then type a name for the file into the File Name field and select the desired save location. Then click the Save button to finish. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.